Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Today I am gonna show you how to use YouTube as pop-up player as shown below. So let's get started. First of all, open Play Store and search VLC Player. And install the application. It is small application, only 27 MB. Wait till it download. Now open the application, and allow all permissions. Now go to YouTube application and open any video and press share button. There you can see play with VLC option, click on that. You will automatically go to your VLC player. There you can see 3 dot in right bottom corner, press on that and click on pop-up player option. Now you can use it with any other application.